and I add two very small trees that look like they are in the distance. Now I mix green and red again to make a dark green and paint the areas that are still wet for underneath the foliage. Now I'm going to work on the lower part. I fully wet it and start applying the paint. Here I use cadmium yellow, yellow and ochre, and I paint horizontally with back and forth strokes. I try to keep the middle area light. I use different colors and add a bit of brown. I darken the area under the trees so it looks like their shadows. I even use a dark brown for this lower part. Now I wash my brush, and while the paper is still wet, add a bit of green, placing some green lines under the tree shadows. There is a narrow part in the middle. You can mark its direction with a pencil before start. I painted with green in a curved, arched shape. I work with a dark green color. Since this area is closer to us, using darker tones help the perspective feel correct. I soften the surrounding areas slightly with water and darken the lower part again.